Alright guys, so I got one done off camera. As you can see, nice and clean, no wires anywhere. So I'm gonna do a detailed explanation on what to do. You got one bolt over here, so it's a T30, 10mm nut in the back that holds it right there. Then you got another bolt right here. You gotta either peel the sticker or poke a hole in it. RJWC actually give you new ones for here with their logo on it. So same thing, T30 with the 10mm in the back. We also got, yeah, right there, these two. 1, 2, those two gotta come out. Okay, got the bolts out. Now we're going to carefully loosen this up. So you got a clip right here and another clip right there that hold the light. Alright, now let's see. Okay, and another one right there. Now there's a little T20 Torx bolt that is located right there. So you're better off kind of swinging the light out of the way while it's still attached and then unbolt it. This one right here. Okay, so got the light out. First thing we gotta do is unbolt this bracket. So we got, yeah, let me put the light down. You can see we got 1, 2, 3. Those bolts, they are 7mm. So I'm using the socket. Use whichever tool you want. Get this bracket off. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. So those bolts we gotta undo, pull it out, and then we can pull this whole assembly out. Sorry, little correction. 3 screws that are holding it in the plastic housing. And then this screw right here is what holds the actual lens in this plastic holder. So we need to loosen this. And there's one more over here on this side. We need to loosen it, open it up like this, as you can imagine, right there. And then slide this whole lens out. Okay. So I got that out. Now this moves around. We're gonna slide the front piece off the lens. Okay, so now that the front piece is off, you're gonna put it aside and you'll use the new piece that RJWC supplied with the kit. So as you can see, this moves around. So our next step, we need to unbolt 1, 2, 3. Those 3 bolts, they are 7mm as well. The reason we're doing it is because we are reusing this aluminum bracket that holds the headlight adjusters, the lens adjusters. We're going to reuse this. We are reusing this piece and we're using a new front piece. The RJWC lens is bigger than the stock one. Okay, so we got the front off. There it is. So you grab the adapter that came with the lights and match it so that the holes line up and it looks exactly the same, but bigger diameter on the inside, right? There it is. I already put it on. See, brand new plastic piece. So now we're going to put the screw back in, and then we will need to adjust this up. Let's get to it. You need to grab this little plastic right there with pliers or whatever you choose, and you twist it sideways. Like, let me show you how. It's gonna be hard holding the camera and doing this. Like this. twist it. Same with this. Twist it so it lines up with the hole. Alright. And then I'm gonna lift this up and take it off. Alright guys, well, this one was a pain in the ass too. So what I ended up doing, I removed and disassembled this side, took the bracket off of this side, put it on this, and bolted up the light. Let's keep going. So here's the second one assembled. I used this bracket. Lined up pretty good. Had to back them out quite a bit though. But still has some adjustment if needed. Okay, time to put it back in. Well, the headlights are done. I chose to put these on the low beam, these on the high beam, but you know, you can decide for yourself which ones you want to wear. Let me show you how the halos look. Yeah, absolutely love it. Looks really nice. And then we got the low beams. They're pretty bright. Yeah, definitely bright, a lot brighter than stock. And high beams.